Alright, got all the holes drilled now. So that was 500 holes. Had to drill each hole twice, so. Anyways, that's done. Just gonna clean up the mag drill, put it back. And then the next step will be tapping. Into, about 230 holes to tap. Anyways, it's coming along, slow but steady. Morning, folks. Happy Sunday. So I'm still threading the holes on my fabrication bench. The end is near though. The end of the threading. Not the end of me, but it's going to be close. Getting a sore neck, sore arm. And I'm going to be sweeping up metal shavings for the next 6 months here. They're scattered in every nook and cranny in my shop here, but oh. So I've come up with the process that seems to work the best. Fortunately, it's all manual. So I started with my T-handle, get it going good, and I have these socket adapters, 3/8 socket, and then tap head goes in that way. Works pretty good. And that's another one down. So I've got 43 to go and about 210 or so behind me. So, might get it done today. We'll see. So I get these tapped, and then the next step is I'm going to sand the top of it down nice and smooth. Just have my orbital sander out, just give it a little quick shot, see how it's going to work out. It should work out pretty good. Sand it all down, get all the mill scale off of it. And then I'll throw a coat of paint on her. That'll be it. Then it'll be on to the next project. Alright, happy Tuesday. So I got this new fabrication slashing welding table finished up finally. Just put a coat of paint on it last night. So it's basically finished. Got all 253 half-inch holes drilled and tapped. Sanded down the top, got it nice and smooth. So I've got this intermediate shelf here to put tools and stuff on, and then the bottom shelf is for drops, heavy pieces around, whatever. So I just put these little side plates in here just to keep the material from any short pieces from rolling out. Kind of pieces I want to store like that round piece that's peeking out from behind the lathe there. This didn't necessarily have to be that high, but I had the metal anyway, so just using up whatever I've got right now for anything I want to build. So I think it turned out pretty good. It's pretty heavy duty. Not sure what it would weigh at the end, but yeah, it's probably 300 or 400 pounds, yeah, easily. That's nice. Wheels around really good. So I'm not using it, can just wheel her over there. Well, once I get rid of all that scrap that's over there, but still hoping the yards will get back to normal. Well, I guess they're open, but prices aren't normal, so that's mostly copper and brass over there. Anyways, so yeah, like I say, pretty happy the way this turned out. It's going to be handy. So the next thing to work on is making up some plates and stuff like that. You bolt a plate down to these holes, and then some sort of a screw clamp or something like that to hold the materials down. Come up with something. So anyways, like I say, happy the way it turned out, and on to the next project. I shall talk to you later.